James, quite a day. It seemed like you started again leading. It almost looked like a repeat of yesterday, but this time after Dustin got by you, he really didn't get away from you. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, we got another good start. Tomas got the whole shot, and yeah, and then I just kind of went around the outside there and made kind of a sketch move on the rumbles, but it was man, it was a good race. You know, this is what I'm training to do, is lead and do consistent lap times where they just weren't fast enough today. But yeah, Dustin got by me, and I knew today I wasn't going to let him go. So, and we kind of stayed right on his back wheel. I knew where he was fast, so I had to really make up for it with the spots where I was good and really on the exits of the corners and just trying to reel him in just enough so he doesn't get away. And you know, unfortunate, he I don't know what happened, but it looks like he tucked the front in turn one, and you know, then it was me. You know, it was me racing the track, and I made a couple mistakes, and you know, that's what happens. You let people catch you, and Hayden rode a great race for keep pressuring and pressuring and pressuring, and he got by me in turn one, and I knew it was going to be a race. So you know, I put the hat back on, and he got a really good drive at the keyhole. We hit some lap traffic, and it kind of helped me out a little bit. I was going to try to go in on 11, and I just didn't feel the confidence in the front tire. But you know, I got a really good drive out of there, and I was going to make it work. But you know, dirt trackers don't really let off, so I think we would have both been laying in the dirt if I didn't let off. So you know, it was a good points move, and you know, we're still leading the championship going into VIR.
You know, when you put your foot down over here, is that just pure instinct?
Yeah, it's two dirt trackers going at it.
Well, that was great stuff, and congratulations. Nice points haul for the weekend.